Welcome everybody to the Crypto Empire weekly live stream. I can see we already have a jam-packed audience in the house today. I want to thank everybody for taking some time out of their weekend to join me for this epic live stream that we are about to partake in. We currently have 13 viewers and already 6 likes. If you haven't already smashed up the like button, go ahead right now, smash up the like button. Greatly appreciate you helping the YouTube algorithm push out this content to more viewers. I can see we already have B's Irish saying he's waiting for the party to start. Well, guess what? The party is starting right now. You're in the right place at the right time. Let's get some hype in the chat right now. We got Luca from Italy saying, yo, hello, everybody. What's up, Luca? We also have Mr. Sellers Homes. We got D Kong in the building. What is happening, everybody? Smash up the like button and get some hype in the chat. Without further ado, let's hop right into today's content because we do have a lot to cover today, including what is happening, of course, with the price action of crypto, as well as some very relevant news and market updates. So let me go ahead, switch my screen around, and let's take a look at the crypto market cap before we really dive into today's scheduled programming. We can take a look and we can see that Bitcoin is trading at $38,984. ETH trading at just over $2,500. BNB 370. Then we have XRP at 78 cents. Luna just underneath XRP trading for $89.50. Luna did flip XRP in market cap. However, it did get rejected from the all-time high levels at around $104. So XRP is still holding strong in that number 6 spot at the current moment in time. We also have Cardano trading at 80 cents. 84 cents is a major level on Cardano. We'll take a look at the chart, but we'll see if Cardano can actually reclaim that 84 cent level. Then we have Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, and Doge for some reason is still number 13 up here in market cap, and also Shiba Inu. Then we have Crypto.com and Polygon. It's been pretty quiet. Let's take a look at today's top gainers. The Graph trading at 34 cents, up 7.5%. Pretty quiet for the Graph. Haven't really heard too much about it. Let's see what's happening in the chat. We got TGFD saying hype. Let's get some more hype in the chat. Need some more energy than that. We have Reverend Flashback saying hello. We got Moby Sage. What's up, Moby Sage? And Don Ragnar as well. What's happening, Don? Camera is lagging, I can see. Yeah, can't change that, so we're just going to have to bear with it. So we can see we have Thorchain trading at $6.56, up 6% on the day, 36% on the week. Thorchain absolutely ripping up. We did call that move perfectly here at Crypto Empire. If you did watch the top 5 altcoins for March video that I did post right around 10 days ago, we expected Thorchain to have a good month, and of course it is playing out. We can also see Basic Attention Token, Zcash, no real big gainers right now. And let's take a look at the top losers for the day. And we have Humans.ai. Never really heard of this one. It just kind of popped up out of nowhere, but it's down 28.5%. Then we have Juno down 8%. So Juno right now is going through some growing pains. Juno is a brand new network, and they are having a proposition right now voting for governance. And basically what is happening with that is there was a huge whale that went ahead and staked a ton of Atom in many different wallets. And the Juno went and got airdropped to everybody who was staking Atom in February of 2021. Well, long story short, this whale was staking a ton of Atom in many different wallets. He got the max Juno airdrop to each wallet, and then he went ahead and he congregated all of his Juno into one wallet. And now basically the governance vote is to try and shut this guy's Juno, make it so he can't vote on anything, make it so he can't use the Juno, basically restricting his funds, which is the exact opposite of what cryptocurrency does stand for. Put forth the energy to make all those different wallets, stake all that Atom, and he got the Juno fair and square. To say that you can just go ahead and make his Juno unuseful is crazy to me. Complete opposite of what cryptocurrency does stand for. That is my outlook on the issue. All right, so those are today's top gainers and top losers. Now let's go ahead and we can also take a look at the Bitcoin price chart. Let's go over the technical analysis on the day. So looking at the price chart, we're looking at a daily right now, and if I zoom this in, let's get a better view. Let me just check the chat very quick. We got Subgar saying, "Hi Connor, how are you? I'm wondering what you think about Waves and its price right now. I purchased some at 8, and now I'm wondering to sell it or not. Thank you. Subgar, I will be taking a look at altcoins toward $2 soon. We'll be taking a look at ADA, but soon, probably not. Gavin from Portugal. What's up, Gavin? Might have to come check out Portugal. I hear it's very sunny over there. I could use some sun. We got Stan Retsu as well. What's happening? All right, so taking a look at the Bitcoin chart, we have a massive ascending triangle printed right now, and we are at some big support trend lines over here. You can see, looking at this chart, we are testing this lower support trend line of this massive ascending triangle. We do have our horizontal resistance up here at right around the $46,000 level. You can see that we have been rejected quite a few times from the 46K level. This is the level to break in order for us to basically have any fun in the market, because everything in the meantime, all this is all chop. It's all just noise. If you're a short-term day trader scalper, these are great market conditions for you. Somebody like myself who enjoys to swing trade more, who makes his bread and butter swing trade, to actually be trading actively in the market, because there's no trend, plain and simple. We have chop and slop, as I do like to call it. Now if I drop this down, actually let's take a look at the macro some more first. Let's bump this out to a 3-day chart. And on the 3-day, we have Vajra asking about the FOMC meeting. We'll take a look at the FOMC meeting in a little bit. Bear with me. All right, here we go. Finally, my 3-day loaded. Not sure what just happened there. So looking at the 3-day price chart, we do have this major support trend line from going back to December of 2020. We have a rally-based rally demand zone, bit of a basing formation patterns. This really is the uptrend line of the overall crypto market at the current moment in time. So we really need to see this line hold. If we do lose it, personally, I don't think we break the wick lows. It is possible we do. Whoops, I don't want to open my mail. It is possible we do break the wick lows over here at 33, but I think it's relatively unlikely at the current moment in time to go ahead and break 33K, because everybody is still expecting down here at 30. When everybody expects something in the market, it's very unlikely to actually play out. And we also have factors that we need to consider that are not reflected in the price chart. One factor that needs to be considered is the ELiquid supply of Bitcoin. We can see this tweet by our guy Lex. Lex is saying that Bitcoin's illiquid supply share has recovered the entire China ban dump and reached a 4-year all-time high. It took 11 months, and now supply percentage is 76.23% of all Bitcoin. So there's only 21 million Bitcoin. Later, very estimated that 3 to 5 million Bitcoin are lost from the early days of trading. Long story short, the amount of Bitcoin available to actually go ahead and purchase is at all-time lows. There's not a lot of Bitcoin out there to actually go around for everybody that does want it. With that being said, there's not a lot of demand in the market at the current moment in time. We can take a look at this news article right here from just 4 days ago from the block, saying that monthly web traffic to crypto exchanges fell by 20% in February. Web traffic across cryptocurrency exchanges decreased by 20.6% month over month in February, according to SimilarWeb. So monthly traffic has been on the decline since November of 2021. We can take a look at this little chart here. Can't zoom it in, but nonetheless, basically, people are not interested in crypto right now. Demand is very low on exchanges. That is what is allowing price to actually go ahead and drop like so. Right? I've shared this many times in the past. Let me go to my dirtier chart for BTC. This is the clean chart. I also have this is the dirty chart here. So on the dirty chart, you can see that I've compared the drop that we had over the summer or last year in May of 2021. We had a really steep, sharp drop, sharp decline. This one is just meandered down. It was not the same velocity of a drop. All right, this was a slow meander down. Lots of basing in between the drops. This is all artificially pushed down by leverage and derivatives right now. Because there's so little spot demand, it's being pushed down artificially buy derivatives. That is what is happening in the market. Once demand does pick back up, the title of this live stream is the Bitcoin crypto bear market will end soon. I personally do think that this cannot last forever because of how illiquid these things are. The only thing stopping us right now, or one of the main things, is the lack of demand currently. There needs to be more demand for crypto. It's not there right now. We can also take a look at the fear and greed index and see that the fear and greed index is at 21% out of 100. All right, so people are still scared. People are scared to invest in the market. They're scared to even go to a crypto exchange website. These are the times when the true legends are actually made, because they continue to research, continue to dig, continue to stick with their investments even through the downtime. For example, I mean, just personally speaking, a project that I'm very big on, I think has a lot of potential, is Fetch AI, right? Huge artificial intelligence project. I started talking about FET here on the channel back in like August, when it was trading for around right now about 30 cents, 33 cents. It went up to over $1. Now it's back down to where I started talking about it. Okay, when I started sharing that I was invested in the project. If you were buying it, if you were interested in it when it was up at $1, and now because it's discounted by 70%, you suddenly are not interested, this is the opposite of how you're actually going to be successful in crypto. You need to be paying it. Fetch AI is not, it's not financial advice at all. What I'm saying right now is for educational purposes only, but you need to be paying attention when times are not good. It's very easy to be glued to your screen, constantly refreshing the prices when everything is green at all-time highs. But when we have current situations like right now where that's not the case, things are bleeding out, things are going sideways, it's very boring, the market is full of fear, this is when the legends are actually made. Because my personal strategy, all I can do is share with you what I personally do. My personal strategy is to simply dollar cost average over time into the coins that I think are going to be doing well in the future because of fundamental reasons, right? This is how you basically invest. You pick strong projects for fundamental value. This is not trading, this is more so investing over the longer term. But this is how you basically make it in crypto. You hear about people, making millions and millions and millions of dollars. How do they do that? They buy it low when nobody's paying attention to it. This is how I caught a 280x on Matic. I bought it for a penny. It goes up to $2.80. Nobody was talking about Matic in November of 2020, but that's when I was buying it. This is how you actually go ahead and make it in crypto. We're having one of those moments right now. You need to be paying attention right now. You need to dig your heels in the ground, draw a line in the sand, and say you're going to commit to this. Otherwise, you're probably not going to make it. If you're throwing a little hissy fit because you're down money right now, NGMI, plain and simple. Dog in the building saying he's interested in crypto at the moment. Of course you are, Coin McDog. You are always interested in crypto. This is a top community member right here. Been with me from the very beginning. Huge shout out to Coin McDog. Let's see. Do I like Shade Protocol? Yes, I do like Shade Protocol, but it is actually brand new. McDog saying buy now or cry later. Exactly. Let's see what's going on. All right, chat's pretty quiet. Let's get some hype in the chat. All right, now let's go ahead and move on. Continue with my analysis here. I kind of got a little sidetracked there with that little, it wasn't even a rant. It was more of an educational lesson that I did want to share with you today. But I did get a little bit of an update. So, McDog. Let me just text my producer. All right, so looking at Bitcoin again. Yeah, we're going sideways right now. Levels to look for down here, 37,300. That should hold as support. If not,